Friday, the 21st.
Oh, this coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. That should be fun. We'll see how that goes. Definitely excited to try it out, you know?
No, I know. I wouldn't have even brought up all the whitewater stuff, but met with the manager, you know, the other day. I mean, we talk every day, but he's like, "Oh, looks like our bonuses are going to be pretty good this year." So, you know, end of February, March. So that's why I'm going February, March, depending on how that shapes out.
Yeah. I like this paddle too.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Now, if going straight here, if you go down and go around that turn, it actually doesn't really get narrower, but it turns into Yadkin River. It'll take you all the way down to Wood Run and then all the way down to Norwood, North Carolina. Which it gets narrower and narrower, but it takes you down quite a ways.
That might be a fun trip someday too.
Yep, I'd be up for that.
Yeah. Is it long enough to do an overnight?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Mark, is this about the normal pace you paddle at?
No, a little. I'm usually a little faster.
A little faster?
Yeah, we're at 2.8 moving average. I'm usually about 3.1. Not much, a couple tenths.
We're at what, 2.8 you said?
2.8. Our maximum speed so far has been 5.1. I usually hit maybe 5.4, 5.5 at the tops. But again, that's by myself. I'm focused. I'm not talking. I'm just focused on pushing, you know.
Yeah.
And not pushing, just maintaining a good aggressive stroke.
Most of the times when we go to
Baden?
yeah. James and I did an official waterway beach. That was really fun. I mean, not the whole thing. Part of it. And then in South Carolina, there's
Where in South Carolina?
I think it's called Lake Wateree.
Okay, I've heard of that. That's a pretty big lake, isn't it?
Yeah. That was actually cool.
Yeah, guys, this little brown house on the little peninsula here, that's where we're going to turn and go left right there.